Today I'm going to show you how to check your hosting plan details in just a few simple steps. If you're not sure which hosting plan you're on, when it renews, or what you're being charged, this quick guide will help you find everything inside your hosting account. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you're signed in to your Hostinger hPanel dashboard. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. This is usually where your account menu is located. Click on that profile icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select Billing. This is the section where Hostinger keeps all of your payment and subscription information in one place. After clicking Billing, you'll be taken to the area where you can view your account's financial and plan-related details. Now that you're in the Billing section, look for the Subscriptions tab and click on it. This tab will show you the active services connected to your account, including your hosting plan. If you have more than one product, this is the best place to see exactly what is currently active. On the subscriptions page, find your active hosting plan listed there. You should be able to see the plan name and related details connected to that subscription. Take a moment to review the information carefully so you know exactly which package you're using. Next, check the expiration date. This tells you when your hosting plan will end or renew, so you can stay ahead of any upcoming changes. Right next to that, look for the renewal price. This shows what you'll be charged when the plan renews, which is especially helpful if you want to manage your budget or compare plan costs. You should also check the payment status. This lets you confirm whether the subscription is active, pending, or needs attention. If anything looks unusual, it's a good idea to review your billing details or payment method right away. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can check your Hostinger plan details, view your active subscription, and confirm your expiration date, renewal price, and payment status. Very easy, very useful, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger tutorials and other easy tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.